I think another thing be interesting is that you guys use, which we were shocked by, that there is a lot of verticalized software too. So they have some really amazing software that actually watches their roast machine and like controls it.
Oh yeah.
There's tech that are very specific.
Yeah. So we use it's a software called Cropster. So we roast out in Long Island City, and basically it tracks all of our roasting profiles. And so the roaster just sits, watches, and it highlights it, and it'll tell us in real time the temperatures that we're hitting, just to make sure that we're spot on. And it also means that somebody else could potentially do it, and we can watch what they're doing and seeing where there are certain spikes and where things need to be, which is the technologies. I mean, it's super helpful. It's just tapping into it and utilizing it as best we can. Yeah.
And being up for, we've come across a lot of coffee shops in this new brush to sort of solve this problem. You guys actually are embracing it. So as a macro point, there's just a lot of small businesses who don't spend the time to look at the technology landscape, and they're still roasting manually, and they're still ordering croissants manually, and they're just spending a lot of time. So I think that in general, now there's so much more to take advantage of. To compete, you have to. You can't not try to look at your problem state and see if there's something you can use to solve it and get it off your plate. Because small businesses never account for your time. We never ever account for how much time it takes for us to do things. Like the one thing that doesn't hit the spreadsheet, like, oh, I'll just do that for 20 hours at the end of the weekend, it'll be fine. It's actually costing you so much in just your own value to create. I
think one of the funniest interactions that we had, like just kind of in the beginning, was when you seemed almost kind of not sure as to whether or not we'd be receptive to you doing a lot of the things that you asked us to do within the space. And immediately we're just like, yeah, do whatever you want. Because we wanted the information as much as they wanted the information, and our willingness to just allow, just trays of things to just kind of be in there, and scales and weights and Wi-Fi connections and all these different things. For us, it's super, super exciting. And so anytime there seemed like there was hesitation, I'm like, just ask. We'll say yes. It's totally fine. You want to take over ordering for that? Great.
We now have these cool Wi-Fi scales everywhere. So in a lot of Birch offices, there's digital scales that say how much milk is sitting on them and how much sugar is in them. So we can actually know every 5 seconds, because every 5 seconds, what the count is of all the inventory in the back shelf. So the computer can make all its predictions and not have to stress out. So we basically create a series of bins so that all their stuff can sit in it, and we don't have to count the things that don't go through squares.